I wake up steady, feeling light and clear. No space for worry, no room for fear. My thoughts align like waves in the sea. Calm and focused, I simply believe in me. Yeah. Every breath brings power within. A new beginning is about to begin. I walk my path with a silent flame. Confident energy flows to my name. I am calm, I am focused, I am strong inside. With every heartbeat, I trust the right. I am calm, I am focused, I stand so tall. Nothing can break me, I rise through it all. Even storms cannot shake my ground. In silence and peace, my truth is found. I move with purpose, I move with grace. Success is written on my face. Distractions fade like distant light. My vision is clear, my soul is bright. Every challenge becomes my way to grow stronger with each new day. I trust my timing, I trust my flow. Everything I need will always show. My mind is steady, my heart is free. I am exactly who I'm meant to be. No doubt can enter, no fear can stay. I choose confidence every day. I walk forward, I never fall. I am aligned with it all. I'm grateful for my life, even through the calm and strife. Everything I see is gold, a story beautifully told. Oh, I breathe in joy, I breathe in light. Everything feels soft and right. My world is calm, my heart is free. This is where I'm meant to be. I am living a beautiful life, full of love, peace and light. I am living a beautiful life. Everything is turning bright. I see beauty everywhere I go, even in the rain and glow. My path is gentle, soft and kind. This is what I always find. Every moment feels like art, written deeply in my heart. Life supports me day by day, in every single way. I don't chase, I simply allow. Life is perfect here and now. Gratitude is in my soul, making every broken hole. I am rich in what I feel. Everything is calm and real. This life I live is mine to see, and it's beautifully meant to be. moment is all I need to believe. A precious gift in time and space. Life unfolds with gentle grace. No rush, no fear, just open heart. A brand new chance to make a start. Every second feels so clear. I am exactly meant to be here. This day is a gift, I hold it tight.